Are you an LLB student or an attorney stuck with a decision whether to practice as an attorney, or you have a question of what else can you do with your LLB degree? Well, stay tuned because this video is definitely for you. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. It is Malebo. It's 2024 and we're back with more videos to be uploaded, more anything. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. The likes, the comments, I really appreciate you guys. Please keep sharing this video so that we can continue to grow. Do you know that we are actually sitting on money, guys? Like, we are literally sitting on money. People are making money out there with just an LLB degree. And if you study LLB, doesn't necessarily mean that you should go to court every day, carry your rope around and go represent. There is various careers you can do outside of being an attorney or a litigant. There is various opportunities available for you, and we just don't do our research. Luckily, I am here to enlighten. First, I'd like to engage with you on the comments. Please keep on commenting, liking and sharing this video. I know you tuned in this channel because you want to know, right? What are those opportunities available? Well, it's something that is not new. People have been doing it. People are still doing this. Number one of the top, compliance, guys. Compliance officers are making money. Compliance officers are mainly in-house. They act as in-house lawyers, yes. They assist companies with mainly making sure that the companies comply with their rules, both internal and external rules that are applicable. The acts, the laws that are available, that's actually the work of a compliance officer. That's it. And you'll be getting paid good money out of just doing that, out of doing what you love. How do you become a compliance officer? It's very easy. You already have a starting, you just don't know how to proceed with it. Some actually do. You can actually do short courses, compliance courses. I know UCT offers this. There is actually another institution, which is the Compliance Institute of Southern Africa. They do offer compliance courses, and obviously you must, after doing those courses, you should also do the compliance examination, whereby you now officially qualify to become a compliance officer, just like it's done with being an admitted attorney, right? You write board exams and then you apply to become an attorney. It's the same process with becoming a compliance officer. You must have met all the requirements, which is having a degree, number one. Secondly, completed the courses. Thirdly, do the examination. But the key skill is experience. Well, in compliance, obviously they're not going to take anyone that just came with a course, and well, there are various artists that they've began their journey with doing the compliance courses and became fortunate enough to get employment right after the courses. But normally people would go through the internship rules. And the second one is becoming a chartered secretary. Chartered secretary, some call them company secretaries. Yes, it is what it says. You are mainly a secretary of a company. It's just that you are skilled with the law. You know the ins and outs of the Companies Act, and you can now advise the company on what to do during their meetings, the board meetings, advising the directors, this and so on. So with the company secretarial route, it is quite different, right? You can choose to specialize mainly in governance. Now, coming to the question of how do you actually become a company secretary, it's quite easy. You already have the first foundation, which is an LLB degree, guys. That is not only the requirement. You can actually be a company secretary with other degrees. However, with us, the LLB degrees would have to do company secretarial courses that are available on the Chartered Institute, something like that. There is an institute that provides for these courses, and you also have to do an examination for company secretariat. Now, it's quite very easy. It's just attending the board meetings, taking minutes, also advising the board on company rules, laws. The last thing that I wanted to discuss is also becoming a financial planner or financial advisor. It's also one of the streams that you can undergo without you having to become an attorney. With the financial planning route, you must have the degree, and you must also do the financial advice during financial advising courses, also undergoing the route of taking the financial examination, financial advising examination. They call it RE5, if not mistaken, but I think it also extends to that. Becoming a financial planner for a company or for an individual, planning their finances, their assets, the estates, trusts, also retirement funds, or you can plan the finances of a business, and etc. I'll put everything in the description below, okay? So if I've got something incorrect on this video, I'll fix it on the description. Okay, so if you do the CFP, financial planning certificate, and a knowledge of more financial legislation such as the FICA, the POPIA. Those are some of the opportunities available, but as I said, those are not the only opportunities available. I'm still yet to discuss with you the other options available, but rest assured there is a lot of opportunities available outside of becoming an attorney, and this is where we need to do our research, guys. And in my next upcoming video, I want to discuss with you the purpose of doing a master's. I know a lot of people say master's is just for being in academia and all that. No, guys, it actually helps. It's actually a vital. I'll discuss this further in our upcoming video. Please stay tuned, comment and like and share this video. Short and sweet. So if you'd like me to discuss anything, please pop it up under the comments below. I go through each and everyone's comments. I try my best to comment to each and everyone's comment. All of you are very important, equally so, and thank you so much for contributing to this channel. Other than that, from me, myself and I, it's bye.